Hi everyone, welcome to today's live. Let us wait for everyone to join the live session. Hope everyone is doing good and tomorrow is Diwali. I hope everyone is busy for the festival arrangements. And today's live is about shift system in pharma industry. So today's topic is shift system in pharma industry, how shifts will be there in pharma industry. And even though I have made a separate video for shift system in pharma industry, but it have not reached more people. So that's why I'm making this video. Those who joined the live, please hit that like button so that YouTube will share our live with more freshers. So guys, how many of you are interested in knowing about shift system in pharma industry? Hit that like button. And those who want to chat over here, you can do live chat. So those who are watching, please hit that like button so that we can discuss. So as I already mentioned, today's live is about shift system. So let us wait for some more people to join so that we can discuss regarding that topic. Until then, those who have joined, please, if you are a fresher, ask your questions related to shift system in pharma industry. So I hope you all are clear this live, and you can also ask any doubts related to pharma industry also. So you can talk with us in the live chat. Manoj, if you have any doubts, you can also ask in the comment section. Only two people are watching, so let us share. Let me check the connection also. So today's topic is shift system in pharma industry. If anybody having doubts regarding how shifts will be there in pharma industry, you can ask in this live session. So I am sharing in our WhatsApp channels also so that everyone, whether you are from ANU or yes, brother, I am from ANU. So now we have shared in our WhatsApp channels also. So from there also our people will join. So coming to shift system in pharma industry, I want to know first of all how many of you are interested in knowing about the shift system. Shift system means timings of shifts in pharma industry, how shifts will be there. So those all things we will discuss in this live session. So also if you have any doubts related as a fresher, you can ask in this live session. So we are open to discussion. So hello everyone. So welcome to today's live chat. I hope some more people have joined. Those who have joined right now, so share your interest by liking this video so that we can discuss. So basically, today we are discussing about shift system. So those who have any questions other than that also you can ask in this live session. Hello MK Shots. Hello, very good evening. So how are you everyone? So first of all, for those who came to today's live, happy Diwali in advance. And today we are going to discuss about. So we are going to discuss regarding our doubts as well as shift system. So coming to the, let us discuss for 5 minutes for freshers. So my dear freshers, in pharma industry, there will be three kinds of shifts. So every shift, the working hours is 8 hours. So each shift will be 8 hours. You will be working in pharma industry. There will be three types of shifts. There will be A shift, B shift and C shift. A shift meaning so you will be working from 6 to 2 o'clock. So that is one shift. Some companies may timings may vary, but mostly in India, especially in Telugu states and Hyderabad, most of the companies are in Hyderabad, some in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, like that. So 6 to 2. And B shift means from 2 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the night, and C shift will start from 10 and ends in the morning 6. So these are the three kinds of shifts in pharma industry. So and how many of you interested in knowing about allowances in pharma industry? So for those who are working in shifts, so hit that like button. Let me know those who are watching this live session. So guys, please hit that like button, show your encouragement so that we can have a good discussions through this platform. I hope you people will understand. So in order to gain some encouragement for me also to do interesting topics, I need little bit of encouragement from your side. So 19 people are watching. So guys, for myself, please hit that like button. So it is very important for us to grow further together. So coming to the night shift. So in pharma industry, so every most of the people will hate night shift, but I have seen people those who like night shift. Why? Because in night shift, most of the senior management won't be there, so you can do your work freely in night shift. But at the same time, when any problem occurs, definitely you need to ping your senior. So I hope you understand. So in night shift there will be some kind of allowances. So for some companies, previously I have worked in X organization where I will be provided with a night shift allowances of daily 200. So in the form of allowances. So in addition to the your salary, if you do night shift, you will be having some certain benefits. So in the form of allowances, so daily I used to get 200 as an allowance. I also did night shift since I was in the beginning of my career, and along with night shift. So what will be there during night shift? So in terms of food, night shift is somewhat, I feel like you will get only snacks in night shift, even though it is most of the people don't eat in night shift, right? That's why. So companies, there will be some tea break around 1:30, 12:30 to 1 o'clock, like the tea break will be there in pharma industry, where every day you will be provided snacks, either biscuits, chai is compulsory, and coffee will be there sometimes. Chai, coffee and some biscuits, sometimes tiffin also be given in some companies. So but most of the companies you will get chai biscuit in night shift. So in this way you can ask me some interest, some kind of doubts or questions you have, what will be given in night shift, and how will be B shift, A shift, like that, so that we can have a good discussion. So here is a question, sir. I'm having a question. I'm getting a apprentice role for 1 year in production, but I wanted to go in pharmacovigilance. So what should I do? So my suggestion is join as an apprentice since there won't be any kind of agreements with the company. So you can do the job and continue for the job search in the pharmacovigilance. Until you get, you can do there. So it is better not to be free. So I hope you understand. So you will get the food. You need to survive on yourself. So since you have the opportunity, you can utilize it. If you like it, you can continue there, or else you can search for your job along with that. Since you don't, it is an apprentice job, so you can leave anytime if you don't like the job. So I also started as an apprentice. Next sir, pharma में कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट सही रहेगा? So there are lot of departments in pharma, Surya. So basically it depends upon your interest. So for some people, regulatory affairs feels better. For some people, quality assurance feels better. But some people's interestingly join production. So like that, it depends upon your interest. But most of the departments like QA, QC, R&D, regulatory affairs, these are very good in pharma industry. And supply chain management also one of the good department. Sir, I am fresher. I am looking for job opportunities. There are, so first of all, select which department you want to join. So based on that, start your job search. So there are many people out there to help you, especially through our WhatsApp channels. We are providing regularly lot of freshers opportunities. So my friend is providing opportunities, means information. They are providing information, you need to utilize that information. So in follow LinkedIn also, follow the you everyone please have a LinkedIn account. It is very essential now for you, because most of the job vacancies are first posted in the LinkedIn itself, before the WhatsApp channels what we are providing, right? Before that also the jobs are being posted in that LinkedIn channels. So in LinkedIn, the HRs directly post the vacancies in the form of text, like that. So MSc केमिस्ट्री अकाउंट्स QA QC कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट ज्वाइन करो? आपको QA मिला, जॉब QA में जॉब मिला तो जाओ, नहीं तो QC अच्छा रहेगा, कोर सब्जेक्ट. सो ऋत्विक यादव, आप ट्राई करो पहले. QA में जॉब मिला तो QA में जाओ, नहीं तो QC भी जाओ, बाद में QA को शिफ्ट भी हो सकता है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं. और बाकी कुछ कुछ है? So everyone, those who came to live, so people are coming to live right now. So today's live is about doubts regarding shifts in pharma industry. Sir, night shift करना पड़ता है, प्रोडक्शन कंपलसरी है. नाइट शिफ्ट तो कंपलसरी है. फार्मा इंडस्ट्री तीनों शिफ्ट में चलता है. 20 कम सम कंपनीज 24 आवर्स चलते हैं. सो आपको नाइट शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. 6 some companies they will do for a week, they will like Monday Tuesday A shift, Wednesday Thursday B shift, Friday Saturday C shift, ऐसा शिफ्ट रोटेट होता है. So after night shift you will get week off. In some companies the shifts will be weekly. So for full week you need to go in night shift. So I have experience from Monday to Saturday you have to go in night shift. So night shift करना compulsory है. Production QA, even IPQA people, those who are working in manufacturing, so night shifts will definitely be there, except for some people those who are working in the documentation department in production. सर एम फार्मा इन फार्मास्यूटिक्स का जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है. देखो, एम फार्म वालों को जॉब मिलता है, सो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप अच्छा से ट्राई करना पड़ेगा, जॉब तो मिलेगा. ज़्यादा वैकेंसी भी आ रहा है, एक बार हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल को चेक करो. ब्रदर, स्टार्टिंग से ही क्यूए सही रहेगा या फिर क्यूसी का एक्सपीरियंस लेने का बस? सो आपको पहले क्यूए में जॉब मिला तो डायरेक्टली क्यूए को जाओ, क्यूसी का मत सोचो. आप क्यूए नहीं मिला इन दिस केस, आप क्यूसी को जाओ. मेरा सजेशन यही है. So Satya Sai, so I have completed my Master of Pharmacy, Pharmaceutical Analysis from AU. Please tell me about analytical R&D department. So analytical R&D department. So whatever the people in formulation R&D will do trial batches. So you need to develop and analyze those samples as a R&D person. So in R&D also some departments will be there. So you need to after getting the job you will know what kind of, so analytical method validations will be there, method development teams will be there. So in that way R&D is a good department, but as a R&D person some you will be having, sometimes you need to work in shifts also. A B shift, C shift mostly won't be there, but sometimes if you are working on HPLC or running a system, then you need to do some night shifts also. So R&D is little bit, but it is very good department working in R&D. When compared to QC, R&D is far better. So wherever you go, R&D is top notch. So try to get into good company, so there you can have a better exposure. So R&D department is very good. So next सर, नाइट शिफ्ट करने के बाद डायरेक्टली शिफ्ट लगता है दूसरा. नो, नो पवन, आफ्टर नाइट शिफ्ट you will be given week off. So suppose today Sunday you have Saturday, suppose Sunday night you have went to night shift. Again you will be having Monday night shift, or else you will have week off if you have week off like that. So after night shift you will not be given a B shift directly. It depends. If you can go, but mostly it won't be there. Sir, BCom to Pharma lo growth untunda sir, please reply. So you can try for departments like warehouse, like that you can go with the BCom. सो वीक ऑफ के बाद बी शिफ्ट रहेगा, नहीं तो ए शिफ्ट रहेगा. मोस्टली आप 2 वीक ऑफ मिला तो, सपोज इफ यू वर्क इन ए 5 day वर्क वीक कंपनी, देन इट विल बी advantage for you, it will be good for your. But if you work in a single off company, like some companies only have a single off, like either 1 day in a week, that may be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but some companies will provide 2 days in a week. In those companies it will be good. So try to search for an MNC company. So working as AQ executive and CRO with B Pharma, can I get job opportunities in pharma companies? Definitely you will get మనోజ్, జాబ్స్ అయితే దొరుకుతాయి. కాకపోతే కొంచెం ట్రై చేయాలి. సిఆర్ఓ నుంచి కంపెనీస్కి రావాలంటే కొంచెం కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ జాబ్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా దొరుకుతుంది. సో ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అయితే చాలా పడుతున్నాయి హైదరాబాద్లో, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయి. सर कितना कितना दिनों तक शिफ्ट चेंज होता रहता है? सूर्य प्रकाश, so it depends upon the company. So suppose some companies weekly shifts will be there. So weekly means, so Monday to Saturday either A shift you will be given allotted A shift, or sometimes you or next week after week off you will be given B shift, and after 6 days you work B shift, again week off will be there, after that C shift you will be given in some companies. But in few companies it will be like 2 day, every 2 days shift will change. 2 days you will go in A shift, 2 days you will go in B shift, and 2 days you will go in C shift, then week off, again 2 days A shift, B shift, like that cycle will be there. So QR QC both are good, but it's not depend upon you. यस इट्स डिपेंड. सी ग्रोथ क्यूए में, एमएससी किया क्यूए में नहीं मिलेगा. एग्जांपल बोल रहा हूँ, मैं पुराना कंपनी में काम किया, उसका प्लांट क्वालिटी हेड हैज डन एमएससी केमिस्ट्री. So you can think of it, it depends upon you really. What Ritvik Adhikari is saying is correct. So it definitely depends upon you whether you can become gem or you can become low. You want you will be settled in a low position. It depends upon you. It's depend upon your abilities, your how the talent or skills you have gained in the initial days of learnings. So whichever the department you are joining, try to learn all the basics so that you can grow forward in that. पवन कुमार चौधरी, मैंने पैकिंग में ज्वाइन किया बट शिफ्ट का कोई भरोसा नहीं होता है, नाइट से डायरेक्टली सेकंड करवाता है। ये प्रॉब्लम तो रहेगा प्रोडक्शन वाला को थोड़ा, समटाइम्स होता है, नाइट के बाद बी आने के बोलते हैं लोग। सो ट्राई टू चेंज टू ए कंपनी where there will be good policies. सो दिस इज माय सजेशन। सर सन फार्मा में अप्रेंटिस करना क्या वहाँ से अच्छी ग्रोथ है? सो अप्रेंटिस से एम्प्लॉय होना चाहिए, उधर ही एम्प्लॉय होना चाहिए, ऐसा हुआ तो अच्छा रहेगा। सो इफ देर इज ए साइंस दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग एम्प्लॉयड इन दैट कंपनी बेस्ड ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस, कंटिन्यू देयर और एल्स सर्च फॉर ए न्यू जॉब while डूइंग अप्रेंटिस। पैकिंग एक अच्छा डिपार्टमेंट है फार्मा में, ग्रोथ भी अच्छा रहेगा पैकिंग में। सो अच्छा से सीखो। Suppose if you are in a operator level, go try to increase your knowledge and become an executive. So packing में growth अच्छा रहेगा। In compared to production, packing में position भी जल्दी मिलता है थोड़ा। So Manoj, if any of your friends are working in pharma industry, especially in QC department, try contacting them to take a reference. So it is one of the best way you can go change from CRO to pharma company, since only friends can help you better than anyone here right nowadays days. Chandaka Rishi Kumar for Hotel Pharma based. Yeah, most of everyone will feel at some point of time like this, but we need to im- think in a broader way. Hello bro, your Hindi is very good. SRS said, थैंक यू भाई, थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे अच्छे से बात करता हूँ मैं भी हिंदी में। सर मिड लेवल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैसे रहता है जॉब के लिए? पवन कुमार, थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज होना पड़ेगा। So you need to work more, you need to extend from, if you go in a shift, you have to work till be general shift, like that extra hours you need to work in mid level organizations. So that is the only problem, that you will be spending more time in the company. For female fresher, which sector is best? So if you have done B Farm or BSc any science sub background, suggest to go for so departments like regulatory affairs, clinical research. You can also go for QA also. So Chandra, I'm working as quality assurance department past 15 years. Chandaka Rishi Kumar. Sir, I have seen companies where people are valued. So try to. I cannot. Maybe your opinion is also right. Yes, most of the people working in pharma industry feel like you only. सर आप कौन सी कंपनी में हो और किस पोजीशन पर हो? वो मेरा लिंक्डइन में देखो भाई, उधर मिलता है ऐसा पब्लिकली, मैं कंपनी नाम नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। F&D was RA, which is good M Pharma Pharmaceutics. So I don't want to give my suggestion here. So formulation R&D or regulatory affairs, which is good, but most of the my friends and seniors suggest will suggest anyone who is thinking between R&D and RA is go for RA department. So RA department job will be very interesting. You will learn more things. But R&D job is good, but quite stressful. You need to physical work will be more in R&D department. Physically, you need to work physically, and you need to think also very much. But depends upon your interest. If you want to make new medicine or bring or to create new formulas, FR&D is good for you. But if you want to make that drug available in the market, RA is very good. So regulatory affairs is like a white collar job in pharma industry. So you can think of it. सो मैनेजर होना चाहिए तो आपको एटलीस्ट तो 10 ईयर्स से 15 ईयर्स एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए मैनेजर होना है तो. सो दैट टू डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर स्किल सेट. 10 ईयर्स में इतना इजीली मैनेजर पोस्ट नहीं मिलता है, बट लोग हैं 10 ईयर्स में भी मैनेजर बना. सर भाई आपको बहुत सालों से फॉलो कर रहे हो, आपने कभी भी दिल्ली गौरकम में जॉब नहीं बताया. प्लीज़ दिल्ली SRH स्टडी. सो जॉब्स तो उधर ज़्यादा फार्मा कंपनी है, उधर से जॉब ज़्यादा आता है. सो इसलिए आप थोड़ा कम मिलेगा वो जॉब दिल्ली गौरकम में. I hope you understand. So pharma company are focused more on sales rather than preliminary. Yes, in the initial days you need to work a lot if you went to pharma industry. Which state is best for biopharma company? See, Hyderabad has a lot of biopharma companies, so you can once check out in the Google. So most of the pharma companies are centered in Hyderabad. Most of the big MNCs are centered in Hyderabad itself. You can check out. बानो आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप इधर पूछो, मैं बोलेगा इधर ही सॉल्व करेंगे. कांटेक्ट करना है तो मेल आईडी है फार्मा चैनल, हमारा चैनल के अबाउट सेक्शन में हमारा पर्सनल मेल आईडी है और उससे आप बात कर सकते हैं कुछ पर्सनली बात करना है तो. So those who are watching this live, so please hit that like button. The scenario of pharma jobs in Assam is a discrete condition now. So good question. Is there any difference between salary for M pharma and B pharma in starting level? So difference तो ज़्यादा नहीं है मैं देखा. सो 2000 to 3000 डिफरेंस रहेगा बी फार्म और एम फार्म को नॉर्मल कंपनीज में ज्वाइन हुआ तो. लेकिन ओ एम फार्म कभी कोई नाइपर से ऐसा अच्छा वाला कंपनी से किया तो डिफरेंस तो ज़्यादा रहेगा. I have seen people who are taking as a M Farm fresher 6 lakhs, and I have seen people who has taken as an M Farm fresher 2.6 lakhs. So ज़्यादा डिफरेंस रहेगा. सो इसलिए मैं आपसे कोई भी स्टूडेंट को बोलता हूँ बी फार्म में अच्छा से पढ़ो. सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं, और सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ो एग्ज़ाम के लिए नहीं, वो जी पैट एग्ज़ाम के लिए पढ़ो. अच्छे से जी पैट एग्ज़ाम और नाइपर क्रैक करो. नाइपर एग्ज़ाम क्रैक करो. सो आप नाइपर क्रैक किया तो हाफ ऑफ द टेंशन जाएगा, बिकॉज नाइपर से आप रिलीव हो गए तो अच्छे से नॉलेज से बाहर आता है. कंपनीज भी बहुत इंटरेस्ट देते हैं ये नाइपर लोग को लेने का. सो इसलिए अच्छे से पढ़ो. बी फार्म वाला कोई भी बी फार्म वाला है तो अच्छे से पढ़ो, फाइनल ईयर में है तो. देखो इधर कैसा है ना डिपार्टमेंट, सो R&D QA QC ऐसा नहीं है। आपका सैलरी आपके क्वालिफिकेशन से डिपेंड होता है, आप नॉर्मल कॉलेज से पढ़ा तो, नहीं तो बड़ा कॉलेज से बाहर आया तो सैलरी तो वेरी होता है। सपोज नाइपर में वो लोग आए उसको स्टार्टिंग सैलरी 4 लाख देता है, R&D में गए तो। सो नॉर्मल स्टेट लेवल कॉलेजेस से आप बाहर आए हो तो सपोज फ्रॉम एनी प्राइवेट कॉलेज यू विल बी गिवन अराउंड 2.8 to 3 lakhs ऐसा पैकेज मिलेगा। गौरव माने एक बार हमारे व्हाट्सएप चैनल में चेक करो, बायोकेमिस्ट्री के लिए थोड़ा जॉब ओपनिंग्स है। मैं आज मॉर्निंग ही पोस्ट किया, आज मॉर्निंग और यस्टरडे इवनिंग पता नहीं। प्लीज टेल हाउ टू इम्प्रूव इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। See, the problem we face right in today's world is speaking English. So you need to practice talking with anyone who is good in English, or else you can learn English through apps. So many apps are there right now. You can check English speaking apps. You can use those to learn and improve your English. सर मैं अभी एम फार्म केमिस्ट्री में कर रहा हूँ, स्कोप बताओ आप। सिंथेटिक केमिस्ट्री ऐसा जॉब्स ढूंढो, उधर अच्छा रहेगा आपको। कंपनीज लाइक सिंजिन, बायोकॉन। सो सिंथेटिक केमिस्ट्री साइंटिस्ट, न्यू मॉलिक्यूल्स डेवलप करना, ऐसा काम अच्छा रहेगा आपको एम फार्म केमिस्ट्री के बाद। यस सर, स्टडी, बाय बाय ब्रो, गुड नाइट ब्रो। So those who are watching the live, please hit that like button, and हम डेफिनेटली ऐसा लाइव करेंगे। वो समय मिलेगा, नहीं है तो आप एक दिन बोलो, उस दिन हम डेफिनेटली पक्का लाइव करेंगे। बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग इन शिफ्ट्स, वेन एवर आई हैव फ्री टाइम आई एम डूइंग दिस। सो फ्रॉम द लास्ट 1 week I'm posting very limited videos. So guys, those who are want to join in QA QC, so lot of videos are there in our channel playlist, so most of your doubts get solved in that only, so please go and check that playlist. So shifting के बारे बताओ। सो यू आर आस्किंग, अमित कुमार आप पूछ रहे हैं एक कंपनी से दूसरे कंपनी को शिफ्टिंग करने के इसके लिए बात करने के बोल रहे हैं, मैं सही है? एम फॉर्म, नो नो, अब थोड़ा क्लियरली बोलो ना, शिफ्टिंग मतलब प्रोसेस है। Unit, you are asking about unit operation in pharma industry. M-Pharm pharmaceutical scope salary after 5 years. So salary after 5 years will depend upon your starting salary. Suppose if you take 3 lakh as a starting salary, so at least minimum if you add 50 to 60,000 or 50 to 80,000 as an increment in between, you can calculate based on that. सो एक ही कंपनी में ड्यूटी टाइम, सो कंपनी में 8 घंटा काम करना पड़ेगा एक शिफ्ट को। बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ए शिफ्ट अच्छा है कंपनी में, अच्छा शिफ्ट कोई है तो ए शिफ्ट ही है। लेकिन हम ए शिफ्ट आके ए शिफ्ट आउट हो गए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, लेकिन ज़्यादा कंपनी में हम ए शिफ्ट जाता है लेकिन ए शिफ्ट आउट नहीं होता है, वही प्रॉब्लम है। ए शिफ्ट गया तो पक्का 8 घंटा के ज़्यादा काम करता है, सो ओनली प्रॉब्लम। सो सर बीएससी फ्रेशर फार्मा कंपनी में बीएससी की मंथली सैलरी कितना मिल सकता है, इसमें बेस्ट रहेगा क्यूसी प्रोडक्शन वेयर हाउस। सो कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट है, सो सैलरी क्वालिफिकेशन से डिपेंड होता है, लेकिन कंपनी से भी डिपेंड होता है। सम कंपनीज फ्रेशर्स को अच्छा देते हैं, बीएससी लोग को स्टार्टिंग like minimum 15 to 16,000 will be there as a starting like apprentice. So from that it will धीरे धीरे बढ़ जाता है सैलरी बीएससी वालों को. कंपनी में एज ए साइंटिस्ट जॉब करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? सो आप साइंटिस्ट बनना है तो आर एन डी में काम करना पड़ेगा. सो इधर फॉर्मुलेशन आर एन डी और एनालिटिकल आर एन डी आप उधर काम किया तो थोड़े पोजीशन बढ़ने के बाद आपको साइंटिस्ट बोलते हैं. ट्रेनी रिसर्च एसोसिएट से स्टार्ट होता है आपका करियर. सर मेरा एमएससी ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री हो गया है तो अब मैं क्या करूँ? हाँ देखो, अमित कुमार बोल रहे हैं फ्रेशर को टोरेंट 17,400 देता है फ्रेशर को. सो ऐसा कंपनी से ऊपर डिपेंड होता है कंपनी के पॉलिसी के तरफ. सो आप एमएनसी कंपनी गए तो आपका सैलरी अलग रहेगा, आप नॉर्मल छोटे कंपनी गया तो सैलरी अलग रहेगा. सो सैलरी भी यूनिफॉर्म नहीं रहेगा, इस कंपनी के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. జీ చంద్రశేఖర్ నాయుడు బ్రో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? నేను క్యూఏ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను బ్రో. सर मेरा क्वेश्चंस का आंसर्स नहीं दिया. मकसूद मसूद ओके. सर मेरा एमएससी ऑर्गन हो गया, अभी क्या करो? सो आप एमएससी में काम किया, आप किधर जाना सोच रहे हैं पहले वो बताओ. फार्मा कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट में जाना है सोच रहे हैं? పర్వాలేదు బ్రో చంద్ర బ్రో, నో इशू. सो आपके कोर सब्जेक्ट में गया तो आप क्यों एमएससी से एमएससी के बाद आर&डी भी जा सकते हैं. सो सो आप आर&डी में काम कर रहे हैं, कैसे रहेगा काम आर&डी में? इज इट एवरीथिंग ओके इन आर&डी or you are not feeling good in R&D? Let me know that one also. Pawan Sheshadri Naidu, hi bro, hi. Yes, IPQ and నేను. So those who are watching, please hit that like button, my dear friends. So any more questions for today? सर आप कौन सा सेक्टर पे है? मैं क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस में है भाई. या R&D लिटिल बिट स्ट्रेस रहेगा थोड़ा. मैं भी एक्सपीरियंस किया, मैं भी 6 मंथ्स R&D में किया. लेकिन आप काम को एंजॉय करो थोड़ा. Don't take it to mind. Sometimes boss will there will be lot of discussions with the senior management, those who are working in R&D. That's why you will feel little bit stressed. After M-Pom QA better option, join QA. So, so I always suggest to go for QA is best if you do M-Pom quality assurance, or if you are interested in looking after the quality of the products which are going out. Or else you can try for R&D regulatory affairs. Regulatory affairs is better than QA, and we need to think all aspects. So if you work in QA, you cannot directly get a sitting job in QA department other than documentation department. So you need to work in the shop floor for few days. After that, you can get into departments like QMS like that. But in RA, you can directly get a desk job. So thank you everyone. So happy Diwali everyone. So I'm ending the live right now. So still any questions there, you can ask me in the comment box, comments of this video. See, Maksud, so try changing to another company. So if you feel not valued in your current company, you can better leave to go search for another organization. Maybe who knows, there will be better for you. So definitely ये सभी चीज़ रहेगा, मैनेजर थोड़ा बात करेगा, हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है और चीज़। मेरा कौन सा कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो चाहिए तो मेरा लिंक्डइन में जाके देखो थोड़ा। मैं इधर डायरेक्टली नहीं बोल सकता है, ऐसा कंपनी के बारे में डिस्कस नहीं करना है। आप कुछ जनरलाइज डाउट्स कुछ है तो बात करो। हाई सैलरी डिपार्टमेंट इन हाई सैलरी डिपार्टमेंट इन फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी। So starting salary always depend upon your qualification, my dear friends. Keep this in mind. So it depends upon your qualification only, not the department. So you join in either in any of the department, starting salary will be based on company's policy. So companies will give salary based on the qualification in the initial, and after that increments will depend upon your department, which department you are working how. If are R&D people, they will get more increments because they always. So Anna Injectable is a good company. Yeah, when compared to formulation departments, OSD department injectable में काम थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा, सैलरी भी अच्छा मिलेगा, इंक्रीमेंट्स भी अच्छा मिलेगा इंजेक्टेबल्स में, बिकॉज इसका इंजेक्टेबल्स का प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट ही ज़्यादा है, इसलिए कंपनीज को भी प्रॉफिट अच्छे से मिलता है, इसलिए सैलरीज भी थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा when compared to OSD. Production department is high salary bro. Technology transfer department. So this is one of the what technology transfer people will do is, so they act as a mediator between the R&D department and the production department in the manufacturing site. So whatever the batches which are done in R&D trials they have taken, they will execute in a large scale in manufacturing unit with the help of tech transfer department. Some people will call it MSAT department, manufacturing science and technology. Some companies they call it tech transfer like that. API QC department, how growth. Sai Kumar. So growth is there in every company my dear friends, every department growth अच्छा रहेगा, लेकिन हम आपका मैनेजर टैलेंट तो दिखाना पड़ेगा थोड़ा। हम हमारा डिपेंड स्किल्स के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है और सभी। सो क्यूसी डिपार्टमेंट अच्छा रहेगा एपीआई में भी, लेकिन थोड़ा केमिकल एक्सपोजर तो रहेगा। क्यूसी में भी ज़्यादा डिपार्टमेंट रहेगा, एपीआई में वेट लैब रहेगा, एचपीएलसी, जीसी, gas chromatography like that sections will be there. So choose in that one of the choose try to learn HPLC and learn good softwares like Npower like that. So starting definitely those who joined in QC definitely they will in the starting initial days you will be posted in wet lab only, and also QC documentation also will be there, QC reviewer like that. सर IPQ में करियर बनाना सकते हैं। So initial days of the career like right now I am also working in IPQA. IPQA में करियर बन स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। सो IPQA में समय और सभी नॉलेज सीखना पड़ेगा शॉप फ्लोर का। सो उसके बाद हम IPQA से QMS जा सकते हैं, क्वालिफिकेशन डिपार्टमेंट जा सकते हैं ऐसा। सो చంద్రశేఖర్ అన్న నెక్స్ట్ లైవ్ చూడాలి, ఎప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు టైం దొరికితే అప్పుడు చూద్దాము. షిఫ్ట్ బట్టి కూడా డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది కదా కొన్నిసార్లు. ఇప్పుడంటే లీవ్‌లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి మనకి దొరికింది ఛాన్స్. వెన్ షుడ్ ఐ గో టు ఇండస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్టర్ బీఫార్మ్ ఆర్ ఎంఫార్మ్ విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ గుడ్? సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో టు ఇండస్ట్రీ, స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ బీఫార్మ్ itself. So industry matlab if you want to go department like QA, QC, regulatory affairs, so B Farm is enough. But with M Farm, always strive for large things like R&D, like the departments. Sir, is LinkedIn ID please? देखो हमारा चैनल में लिंक अबाउट सेक्शन में डालता हूँ मैं आज को, उधर से आप चेक करो। लाइफ टाइम IPQA कर सकते हैं लेकिन बट वो चीज़ IPQA में काम कर सकते हैं, तो उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आपको करना क्या सोच रहे हैं क्या? When should I go to industry after B Pharma? Which one is good? So when should I go to industry B Pharma? Which one is good? महबूब आपको मैं what I am saying is if you want to go to industry with B Farm, go for departments like QA, QC or regulatory affairs. Production also you can go if you're interested. But with M Farm, don't go to departments like production. You can go to AR&D, FR&D. QA is also good. QA. सर आपने एम फार्म किया? अमित भाई मैंने किया, एम फार्म किया, मेरा एम फार्म हो गया. సో చంద్ర బ్రో కంపెనీస్ కోసము అవి అడగొద్దు, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అయితే నేను చెప్పగలను కానీ ఇక్కడ నా కంపెనీ కోసం నేను చెప్పలేను. సో కంపెనీ కోసం అయితే ఇక్కడ పర్సనల్గా లింక్డ్ఇన్లో చెక్ చేస్తే మీకు తెలిసిపోద్ది, అర్థం చేసుకోండి కొంచెం. సో దోస్ ఆర్ వాచింగ్ ద లైవ్, ప్లీజ్ హిట్ దట్ లైక్ బటన్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ టుడేస్ లైవ్. సో చంద్రశేఖర్ బ్రో ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్. సో లింక్డ్ఇన్లో చూస్తే నా కంపెనీ ఏంటో మీకైతే తెలుస్తుంది, బట్ ఇక్కడైతే చెప్పకూడదు, అందుకనే నేను చెప్పట్లేదు. పబ్లిక్గా ఎందుకు చెప్పడం, ఏమైనా అవుతుందా అని కాదు, బట్ ఎందుకు అనవసరంగా. సో దోస్ హూ కేమ్ టు లైవ్ ప్లీజ్ హిట్ దట్ లైక్ బటన్. So thank you everyone for joining live. So we will meet in the next live. Until then, I will be posting videos in the channel. So please everyone, if the job is suitable for you, you can watch or else leave that video. I don't encourage to waste your time. So thank you everyone.